So guys, how do we answer Taylor Swift's puzzle to open the vault for 1989? So first you have to go to Google, then on the search bar, type Taylor Swift, and then there will be a vault that will drop on the lower right. You have to click that, and then the puzzle will appear. So there's a hint on the lower part, and if you know the answer already, you have to type your answer on the search bar. So in that case, the answer would be she lost him. And then, tada! You will see that you have the right answer. So come on and let's solve the 33 million puzzles that has been prepared for us. And there, that blank space is the clue. So for every separate color, that means that is a separate word. So in that case, let's try another one. Okay, we solved 4 puzzles already. That one, the hint is birthday, so the answer would be Wednesday. Click the search bar and then type Wednesday. You have to put Wednesday in there. Okay, and tada! I've got 5 puzzles down. So good luck and enjoy!